Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol DRYS. That is Dry Ships Incorporated. The chart we're looking at today is a 5-minute chart. Each candlestick on the chart representing 5 minutes of trading. Now, DRYS has been an absolutely insane stock. In the course of about a week of trading, this thing has gone up right around 1,000%. This thing's absolutely insane. Today was another opportunity to make money on that. Let's take a look at the setup that had the most profits available to it. And this is a classic setup that we watch here at activeinvestors.net, a classic setup that we discussed many times in the YouTube videos here. So you should all be very familiar with it. It's nothing new, but it played out perfectly to the setup that we're always looking for. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the bullish cross on the moving averages, the purple and the green, as we always take a look at those, and the relative strength index going overbought. Not oversold, but overbought. Now, this was happening in an important area as well. The area I'm talking about is going to be this line of support and resistance here. In other words, pivot points. So right off the bat, let's discuss those pivot points. 62.88 and 60.23. So 62.88. And what did I say the other one was? 60.30, 60.23, right. 60.23. So there we go. That's going to be this pivot point, and that's going to be this pivot point. This is the key channel that we were watching for this breakout to occur. So there was opportunity to make money on DRYS at the open, but this candle was whack. It was wild. It was difficult to trade, and most people lost money on that initial opening. They probably got burned, got stopped down their trade, and then try to buy back in here. We had a gap down and a halt to the downside here. So this stock actually had a halt to the downside and even managed to come up and make insane gains after that. So it came all the way down to the 50-period moving average. Found support there. The candle basically opening at the 50 SMA, coming back down, but then pushing back up. So this was a key area to take a look at here for a bounce play. People getting in here got the best cost basis of the day. The less risky area to buy in is the one that I was talking about earlier. The place we always look at right here, where we see the purple crossing above the green. A bullish cross on the simple moving averages. And then down here at the RSI. RSI going overbought there. And not just that, but this channel, 62.88, 60.23. This channel was broken to the upside, so we're in the channel, we're breaking to the upside, we're bullish on the RSI, and we have the simple moving average cross, and sure enough, boom, it flies up. Dips a little bit, but that's a higher low, which is a bullish formation, of course, bouncing right off that 10 SMA, coming back up, and then pushing all the way up, staircase mode to the upside. High of the day, $102. So that was a very easy play. Everyone made a ton of money on that one. Absolutely insane day for DRYS. And like I said, this isn't the first day. This thing's been killing it all week long. Last week and this week. But towards the latter part of the day, we actually did sell off a bit. There was still opportunities to make money if you got into the lows here. Sold the highs here. But overall, it started to get risky. And why is that? Well, we were in an intraday downtrend. How can you say that? Look at this downtrending line here. We had our high at 102, and then we had higher highs, lower highs, and then nowhere did we come close to testing that trend line again. So what am I going to be looking for another opportunity to trade this stock? I'm going to be looking for a test of this pivot point up here. This pivot point is 80, one moment, 80, let's see, 88.90, 88.90. So we're going to be looking for a test of 88.90, and incidentally enough, this downtrending line is sloping right to that 88.90 point. Then if we hit 88.90 and we break it, we're also breaking out of this downtrend, and then we can make another test for that high of the day at 102 from yesterday, of course. Well, rather from today. It's going to be yesterday, tomorrow when we're trading. And then we can look for another breakout as we press into the triple digits. Now, this thing isn't just running on technicals. There's a lot of fundamental news behind these shipping companies running. Correlations between the Trump election, the bullishness heading over to Greece with new upcoming policies, and the news regarding Japanese purchases over Korean assets for major shipping companies. All these fundamentals, along with the technicals, have allowed shipping companies to make such progress. And there's definitely money to be made, and there's definitely a lot of money that has been made. So keep an eye out on those shipping companies. I'm talking about DRYS, I'm talking about EC, Ship, GLBS, all those guys. Absolutely insane week it's been. I hope you guys have made money on this, and I hope you found this video informative and helpful. And I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.